Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade. It's a weekend edition video and it's good to be back. And you'll notice how on Friday the markets ended mostly in negative territory with the diamonds in green territory, not doing too bad. US dollar also higher. Everybody else negative but gold and silver. Well, actually, gold is higher, but VIX is higher by nearly 4%. We're at 23, and we're at 18,000 on Bitcoin. Okay, hold on. Let me just come clean with everybody. I tested positive for COVID-19. I'm just getting over it. My mind's still in a fog. Romulus says, "Hey, do you want me to do your video for you this week?" And I said, "Hey, man, I've got it. Let's do this." Man, I still got this crazy cough, but I will talk about that at the end. Here we are looking at the markets. The Grok Trade is, and someone just came to my door. Oh, it's Amazon. They're gonna be busy this time of year. Okay. So here we're looking at the spiders. Okay, the spiders. This is really what we're after. Just find out what's happening. What's interesting here, we do have this trend line that we were watching. It got above the trend line. When it got above it, all seemed really well. But what happened on Wednesday was we closed back down below it. That was some bad news. Thursday and Friday, but we're above the rising 20-day moving average. That's that blue trend line. So as long as we stay above that trend line, or the 20-day moving average, we're going to be okay. But this trend line really concerns me. We'll look at the diamonds here. Diamonds, we haven't got above these trend lines yet. Very important that we do get above them. As long as we stay above the rising 20-day moving average, that'd be good. NASDAQ had a nasty little drop Wednesday. So we went up Monday, Tuesday, hit our head, and then Wednesday dropped, Thursday, Friday, to the rising 20-day. The question is, are we going to continue to bounce going into next week? I think we have a pretty good chance of doing that. If so, we need to break over these trend lines that are still up above us, acting as resistance. Small caps, this is the Russell 2000. We just keep going higher. Guys, that's telling me that the markets are really strong still. Financials up, but there's a rolling over taking place. You'll see that we have higher swing highs, but those swing highs or trajectories are slowing down. Now we pull back to the rising 20-day moving average. I think we have a good chance of bouncing here next week. US dollar is putting in a bottom. So I would be going long the US dollar. That's a big time bottoming formation. Silver, excuse me. Silver is big bull flag type pennant formation. I'd be looking to go long this on the longer time frame. Gold, big bull flag, guys. We're in an area that we could get a lot of choppiness, but overall in the long time frame, if you're buying and holding, gold and silver is a definite play to be looking at. VIX is popping higher. We have we're coming back into the moving averages. Look for more turbulence taking place. We have a nice bull pullback here on the Bitcoin at 18,000. I think the next push higher will push us past 20,000. I think that will happen next. Excuse me. If I had the energy, I would go and edit all my coughings out. I would just get rid of them, but I'm not going to. I hope you guys have some sympathy for me. But let's take a look at something here. I'm going to look at weekly charts. This is the weekly chart on the spider. Everything looks well. As long as we can stay above these trend lines and the moving averages, that's well. Diamonds, we're finding a lot of resistance here. We've got to get past this on the weekly chart. If not, we're not out of the woods. NASDAQ, we're on the wrong side of the trend line. We're still tracking higher, you'll see. But this is a little sketchy to me. I wish we were on the other side of that trend line. Small caps 2000, we're extended. See this up, 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 guys. We are on the weekly chart extended. We're begging for a healthy pullback here. Russell's 2000, we're up, 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 up. We're trying to catch our breath now on the weekly chart. US dollar is big time buy opportunity. Silver is a buy opportunity on the gold buy opportunity. Everything looks good, good, good. But there's nothing saying to freak out before the end of this year to closing out the year. I think things are looking fairly solid. If I go here to the tech stocks, take a quick look here at tech stocks. Let's see what Apple's doing. Guys, I just haven't been looking at the markets here. My algorithm's been trading for me, which has been a gift. But Apple, still looking strong. Still looking strong. Amazon, watch for a big move, guys. That's a symmetrical triangle. That's going to make a big, big move. Let's see what's happening on BABA. Stay away from BABA. That looks like it's getting ready to go bearish. AMD, let me take a look at that. That's a bullish play. I'm liking that. Baidu is on fire, guys. Look for it's too late to get into now. Wait for a pullback. Wait for some sort of formation. Booking, stay away from Cisco. Oh boy, I need to see what's going to happen with that one. Catfish is a buy opportunity. eBay, buy opportunity. We could be finding a bottom. Facebook is in a lot of trouble. Stay away from Facebook. Don't like it at all. Google, watch that one. GoPro. I mean, I'm still bullish GoPro. Microsoft, ooh, stay away from, that's a big triangle, guys. I don't know. I'm going to stay away from that. MU, it's a big buy opportunity for Micron. Netflix, stay away from. Nvidia, stay away from. Oracle, stay away from. PayPal. Perhaps Roku, wait for a setup, is on fire. Shopify, that is a buy opportunity. Snap, wait for a setup. Tesla, ooh, that's good. I like that. Twitter is at resistance. Wait for a setup of some sort. Okay, here we are. I'm done. And I know, man, my analysis there was trash compared to other times. My energy level's low. I get it. I'm trying to pick it up. And but I tested positive for COVID-19. It wasn't so bad. Big time fatigue. Have a dry cough, as you can tell. Lost my taste. I can't taste anything. I can't smell anything, which is really interesting. Very interesting. Can't do that. But I was achy, had some fever, not much, but very achy there for a couple of days. But for the most part, I dodged the bullet compared to some. Some, end up in the hospitals. One of my best friends was in the hospital, almost got ventilated. So it just depends. It hits some harder than others. Let me know if you've had it. Let me know if you've known somebody that has it. And let me know if you know somebody that's passed away. One of our students 2 months ago had a father while he was in class pass away. And, if you're watching this, I hope you're doing okay. I sincerely, I think about you. I just can't imagine, I haven't lost a parent yet. And it's just, that'd be a sad day when it happens. So anyway, and guys, thank you, Paul. Thank you so much. We're the Black Rifle Coffee. Black Rifle Coffee. And a neat little treat. This is the CC111 Combat Cocoa. Hot cocoa. My girls are going to love that. So thank you for the Christmas gift. I sincerely appreciate you in sending us this. And I'm not drinking the coffee yet because I can't taste it. I want to be able to savor it. I love Black Rifle coffee. So, oh man, and the Crockers. Thank you for the nuts. I'm a fan of the nuts. Mr. and Mrs. Crocker, a big thank you for those. But hey, I'll throw something out. I'm glad I remember this actually. I have run. There's a group called Meetup.com, and I run one of the largest trading clubs out there, and over 500 members there. And we haven't had a meeting in a long time. But we had a hospital that had 3 rooms with 3 screens, so it was a massive room we could all meet in. And anytime somebody showed up, everyone paid $5. And at the end of the year, I never shared this with people, and then I started sharing it with everybody. But I'm sharing it with you guys. I'm a secret Santa. And all that means is I go out the weeks before Christmas and I give money to people who are in need. And I've been doing that for years. So after all these meetups, I'd have thousands and thousands of dollars of $5, $10, $20 bills in envelopes. So at the end of the year, I would take those envelopes and then I would go off, and at nights I would go to look for people, who just looked like they could use some help, putting gas in the vehicles, help getting groceries, help buying gifts. I would just be attentive to people that look like they could be in need. And I'll go to mobile home parks. I do a lot. I don't let anybody know who I am, but I give out a lot of money. I give it out, and the reason I'm sharing that with you guys is because we haven't had meetings with the traders for a long time. If you want to look up who we are, we're Carmel Stock Traders on meetup.com, but we've been dormant. But anyway, I don't have thousands and thousands of dollars in envelopes now to give out. And I'm going to give money regardless. I'm going to be giving out. I'll be doing that. But I know a lot of you guys, some students, some who aren't, but been with me a long time and you've been blessed this year. You're not hurting this year. If you want to join me this year for the Secret Santa, it's nothing organized. There's no write-off on it. All I can tell you is 100% of it goes to people who need it. And I'll share it with you guys. I grew up poor. Food stamps. My mom is a broken family, tried to raise 3 kids best she could. And at Christmas time, there would be people that would bring gifts to us. We thought it was Santa bringing us gifts. But it was benevolent individuals who knew that we were not doing well. And that meant the world to me, to have a Christmas, especially in a time that, we weren't for sure if we were going to be getting toys. And I've always had that in my heart to want to help out, especially mothers who are single with children, especially them. And 6 months ago, a bunch of us got together. We helped out some mothers in a metro area, Indianapolis, who, when COVID was strong and everybody was getting hit, stimulus checks haven't showed up, and a bunch of us got together, and I think we did, I don't know, $1,400, $1,500, $1,600 or something to help these mothers, young mothers. These are young mothers. And so I know of some needs that are here in town. I know of some people. I know of opportunities that I'm going to be giving. If you want to join me, I welcome that. My name is Des Woodruff, Des Woodruff, WOODRUFF @gmail.com. That's my Des.Woodruff @gmail is my PayPal. Or you can just send me an email if there's a way, if you want to send money a different way, feel free. You don't have to. I'm not begging. If you want to join and team up with me as the Secret Santa, it's going to go to people who need it. And I just want to open it up to the Grok Trade community and say, if you guys want to join us, feel free to do so. But that's it. I appreciate you all. Thank you for your prayers and support. I'll get through this COVID-19 thing. So we'll catch up with you guys later. Bye.